you do zigzag as a result of this twisting. So in a way, the twisting is more important than zigzag. Got it? So you have to twist, create the step, not like you're doing zigzag and like, hey, let's now try to twist in zigzag. That's too late. Twist develops into zigzag, and zigzag can develop into the step.
All right.
Even step should be a result of twist. Like a spine movement should be a result of twist, because you don't want to move spine like this. You twist your leg. So spine movement should be a result of twist. Now I cannot twist anymore here, so now I start twisting here. Whoa. And when you twist, you never can go wrong. Let's say when you squeeze, squeezing is very difficult because if I squeeze too much, now I'm breaking the body. But if you twist and counterbalance, it just looks better and better. It's like money. More is better.